Hi viewers, today we will discuss Motor City Hills project. It is off-plan project. It is one of the beautiful project. I am standing exactly on the Motor City Hill project area. This is the area where the Motor City will be inshallah under construction is very soon, okay? And its completion date is December 2024 from now, okay? This area up to this area the complete project will be held, okay? That is Casa Flores community. It's already constructed, it's already developed, occupied. Viewers, this is the master plan of Motor City Hills, and I will show you some closely. Villa number, everything is mentioned here, and it's like connected houses, townhouses, and some sports area like this, park and pool, some sports, football and all. It's already, so in this community we have some sports also available. So this is the master plan of Motor City Hills. It has only 4 bedrooms. It has 2 types, that is type A and type B. Type A is 3002 square feet. It's a built up area. The plot sizes are 1500 to 1900. That are the plot sizes. So type A is 3002 square feet built up area, and the type B is 2615. That is the built up area of 2 types, and both are 4 bedrooms, and it is also G+2. G+2, it's a project, and the amount for type A is 2.3 million, and for the amount for the type B is 1.75 million. And the payment plan is beautiful payment plan, that is 7 years. Only you need to pay 10% down payment, 10% after 90 days, then every single month 1%. Up to completion December 2024, you have already you will submit 32 installments. After handover, then 48 installments. So total installment will be 80 installments in 7 years, and 10% is a down payment, and 10% after 90 days. Okay. We have some comparison analysis for townhouses in Dubai in various projects, like we have Maple 3, La Rosa, Motor City Hills, and also Talal Al Ghaf and Damak Hills. Okay, so if we check only one point of that is price per square feet. Here we have price per square feet. So in Maple we have 1776, Arabia Ranches 3 1007, La Rosa 877, Motor City 669, and also in Talal Al Ghaf we have 1194, and Damak Hills 836. So we have all the comparison here in this one chart. And also in the geographic location we have here La Rosa, Arabia Ranches 3, Talal Al Ghaf, Maple, and we have this one Motor City Hills. This is the layout of type A 4 bedroom. Here we have total gross floor area 279 square meter and 3002 square feet. 4 bedroom plus family room plus maid room. And we have here, this one is the ground floor, first floor, second floor, because it is G+2. So we will start from ground floor. Ground floor we have 2 carports, maid room, passage, powder room, kitchen, living room, dining room and terrace. Also first floor we have bedroom number 1, family room, and bedroom number 2 also have a balcony. Okay, then second floor we have third bedroom, and also fourth bedroom on the second floor, sitting area, and so it's all about type A. The layout of type B 4 bedroom. Okay, now we have total gross floor area 243 square meter, 2615 square feet, 4 bedroom plus family room plus maid room. And we have, this is ground floor, first floor and second floor, and here we have the ground floor. So in the ground floor we have 2 carports, maid, kitchen room, dining, living, terrace, and then bedroom. We have a bedroom here and also bedroom here, family room, and also we have a master bedroom. In this we have a master bedroom, and also bedroom number 4. So this is all about type B. So this is all about, so have a look on the area, just have a look. It's beside we have a beautiful communities like the Casa Flows and like the other communities, and it's Motor City is like it's a developed area. Geographic location and also importance of the area. This complete area is Motor City. Okay, and in this area the Motor City Hills is exactly situated here. Okay, you can say in the heart of Motor City, because if you can see here we have some development. It's already been done long time before. These are the villas, townhouses, Casa Flows. Okay, and importance of the area, if you can see here we have Arab Ranges 1, we have Victory Heights, Sport City, Jumeirah Village Circle, Jumeirah Village Triangle, and Arjan, and here we have Miracle Garden. Okay, and almost very near we have Dubai Hill, the Damak Hills, Mudon community. Okay, so this area, it's a very beautiful project. It is in the heart of Motor City and it's beautiful. From Motor City, distance to various areas. So we will just write Motor City Hills to Dubai Airport. So it will show the distance, exact distance from Motor City to Dubai Airport. Also, it's very near to most of the areas. There is no tools. It is already showing 35 minutes. Okay, to downtown. Now we will just check downtown. And now we can see from here, from the Motor City to downtown. And now we have here, this is a downtown Burj Khalifa area, and it is showing 28 minutes. And now to Marina, Dubai Marina. It is most of the time it's showing it's 25 minutes, but I think it will take less than that because it's very near. I think it will take 15 minutes. Sometimes it also calculate the traffic, and also sometimes it's calculating the center of the marina. No? So it means 15 to 20 minutes or 22 like this, it's from marina. And it's also very near to Dubai Hills, this area. So this area is the Emirate Hills area, is complete. This is Spring Meadows, the Jumeirah Island and all. Tour of Motor City Hills, and it has more information. They have also some messages introducing Motor City Hills and different, and also the houses, it will look like exactly the same. And downstairs we have 2 living rooms. It's beautiful. And in the first floor 2 rooms and the second floor 2 rooms. So they have to Union Property, the master developer of Motor City. And also about Motor City Hills, some pictures from inside. Also it's a house. So it's beautiful project. Bedrooms, the community, also swimming pool, kids pool, and means the amenities: swimming pool, kids pool, playground, clubhouse, mini football court, outdoor gym, tennis court, jogging track and basketball court. It will exactly look like this. And Motor City, in the location, it will be exactly situated this area. Arab Ranches 2, and different areas we have around. It have already show 3 minutes from Jim's school, and also 3 minute Dubai auditorium, and 7 minutes Miracle Garden, 12 minutes. All the locations is mentioned here. Global Village 10 minutes, Dubai Marina 18 minutes, like this. Because this is the details for purchase. If you want to buy a property, so general information all means like passport copy, visa copy, residence and all, and also with the 10% original check. Time of launch, you need to give 10% of a check because it is the booking amount for this project. We will discuss some amenities in Motor City and near to Motor City Hills. We have here Jim's Metropolis School. Okay, now we have also some more other townhouses. There we have a Motor City Hills, some other villas and townhouses. Also we have here many of the utilities like stop and go, your everyday carriage here, also KFC and many more, means there is everything is available here. Also we have Emirates Hospital here. Okay, Dubai Outdoor Cartodrome, and so these are some amenities. School, mosques are also here. Here we have a very big mosque, this one. Okay, so it's a very developed, it's a old and very developed community. It's very nice, beautiful community. So viewers, this is all about Motor City Hills project. If you want to buy a property, if you understood the project, you want to buy a property, you can contact me on the number I will give in the description of this video. You can contact me on that number. And also if you want to book a property, so if you want to book a type A, that is 2.3 million, so 230k will be the 10% of booking amount. And if you want to buy type B, that is 1.75 million, and the booking amount will be 175k with the original documents, your visa, passport and everything, the copy and the original check. Okay, original check and the copies of the passport and visa. So I will book a property for you. I will try my best. Thank you so much.